What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to make your YouTube channel banner using your Android device for free. All you need to have is internet connection and you open Play Store. When you open Play Store, you search for Pixel Lab text on pictures, like that. So here it's how it looks like, Pixel Lab text on pictures. So you installed it. I already installed it, it's working. Yes, for me I will tap open. For you, you'll have to first install the app, then I'll open it. Okay, once you open it, so here it is. Just open Pixel Lab here. Then once you open it, you go to the top right corner on the three dots, just like that. Then here you want to look for image size, the fifth option from the top. Tap on image size, and here if you know the image size, the width and height, you can just tap in. But what you want is a YouTube channel banner. Just tap on custom and the small arrow down, and here you can see the different sizes or the pictures we want. So you'll have to choose the fourth option, YouTube channel banner. Tap YouTube channel banner, and you can see these are the dimensions of the YouTube channel banner picture. So you need to press is okay. You can see now it has changed. So after you are done, you may want to change the background of the picture. So just tap here like that, and you can choose these images which are within the app here. These ones like this, you choose whatever will work for you. If any of these works and you really like it, just like that, you choose any that you want from the app. It has inbuilt background pictures, just like that. So for demonstration, I will choose this one. I press OK. You press the tick here down, you press that. Or if you do not want this one and you have yours in your gallery, just go to gallery like that, and the app will be able to take you to your gallery, just like this. You choose a picture from your gallery. So for demonstration, I will leave it like this. Then you can go over to the top left corner where there is a plus sign. You tap on the plus sign like that, and here you can be able to draw, add shapes, you add an image from your gallery, add a sticker, or add a current text. So I'll just add a text just like that, and I come here down here, there are options down here. I tap on the A, there is this A, you can see where this blue button A, where it is. So when you tap on it, the options change. When you tap on this other one, they also change. So you need to tap on A. You see there are different options on A, so you go to edit. So when you go to edit, you type in maybe your YouTube channel name, just like that. For example, I'll choose Jovan Hacks, just like this, if this is my YouTube channel name. Then once you are done, you can scroll here, you will see text size. Tap on that. You can drag along that side, or you can use the plus icon like that to increase slowly. Then once you are comfortable with whatever text you have chosen, press OK. Now you can just play along with these other options down here, just like that. You see this? You change, there are different colors you can use for your YouTube channel name. So if you are comfortable, you can also add the style. You can make it bold, just like that. You can align your text, just like that. You can maybe even add background to your text. See that one? You change even the color of the background. See that? You can also add a stroke to your text, just like that. Now once you figure this out, just like that, you choose what works for you. Once this is done, just press the OK, and you can maybe center your image. So there is relative positioning here, just tap on that, and this one will center it in the middle. Just press the tick like that. So once you're done, on the top buttons here, there is this icon, the save button next to the plus icon. Just tap on that one and then save that as image. just like that. You see, now here it comes, then save to gallery. Save to gallery. It is rendering the image, saving it now, and now image has been saved.